Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. This is today's Tàijíquán Tip, and I have a recording I was just making of myself for today's Tàijíquán Tip. And the tip for today is to record yourself doing free play, which I've just done, and then follow yourself practicing free play. So we're following the principles, but not the choreography. And note the difference in your mind when you're following, such as a video of your teacher, and you're following along the form that you've learned. How does your mind operate? What does it focus on? What is its speed? What are its concerns? And then follow with free movement and pay attention to how your mind may differ, right? Because I don't really know what's coming next. It's new to me. I suppose I have a hint because I just did it, but I just tried to make it random. Certainly, you can do this following somebody else's free movement, and it's much more pure, but I'm here by myself. So, anyway, I'll just hit play and try and follow that movement as best that I can and pay attention to my mind as I'm doing this. So, have a little bit of fun with that. If you're not learning about your mind, are you really doing Tai Chi Chuan? If you're not learning about humanity, are you really doing Tai Chi Chuan? Thank you.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.